We're in a 2022 Tesla Model X. I'm about to show you how to make your Tesla dance, aka a light show. So you hit the toy box, you go over to light show, then you schedule the show. We're gonna do it, let's see, you got Carol of the Bells, Old Anxiety, so we're gonna do Carol of the Bell. We're gonna schedule it for now, then hit confirm. Then we gotta exit the vehicle and start the light show. So let's do that. And that was Carol of the Bone. Oh, Carol of the Bell, my bad. If you're a fan of Bone Thugs and Harmony, you know what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching.